Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to clear your Google Drive from junk files. If you are facing this problem, like your Google Drive is full but you don't know what to delete, maybe that's because your Google Drive is full of junk files, and I'm going to show you how you can find the junk files and also delete them. So first, go to Google Drive and here click on the search column. Click on the search column and type this keyword is unorganized and then owner me. This one's right here. Click on enter. And here you'll find the junk files from your Google Drive. And if you want to clear your Google Drive from them, you can just click on clear all. Okay, you can see there are so many junk files, and if you want to delete them, just click on block. Here, just block the files. Oops. For example, this one's right here, and then click on this trash bin icon to remove them from your Google Drive. And now it has been moved to trash, and you can find it on the trash and delete them forever from your trash and your Google Drive just by go to trash and remove them all. So here, just click on empty trash and delete them forever. Okay guys, so that's all for me. That is how you can clear your Google Drive from junk files. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like. I'll catch you all in the next videos. Bye!